In this video, I'll show you where to find promo code deals for Pure Gym. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, for this demonstration, we're using Google. Now in the Google search box, I'm going to type in Pure Gym promo code. Then I'm going to hit search. And then we'll be brought to the Google search results, and you'll see a few third-party sites offering different promo code deals. So we got Coupon Follow offering 50% off in August 2024. I am making this video in August 2024. We got Hot UK Deals, 50% off as well. Worth the Penny, 60% off. And we've even got Reddit as well you can check out. So Reddit's a good spot to find promo code deals. But for this demonstration, I like to use a Coupon Follow. So I'm going to click over to their website. The good thing about this site, you can see that these are verified as well, and you can also see the details of these codes. And once inside Coupon Follow, scroll down, you can see other different promo code offerings, and you can notice down below it says here previously featured offers and deals, so you can kind of get a gist of what they might offer in the not too distant future, because these codes do change daily, weekly and monthly. So for this demonstration, I want to do this one here that says get 50% off first month. If we want to redeem this code, simply click on copy and then paste this code at the checkout section of Pure Gym. These codes as well do expire, so if they've expired or one doesn't work, just move on to the next code.